You got the heavy box there, Andre?
Yeah.
You need any help? Good. Hey, Daniel.
Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm awesome.
Are you good?
I'm great.
Are you good?
I am so nervous.
You stoked?
Are you?
I'm so nervous.
Why? It's no different than what we've been doing.
Just with all my friends here to heckle me.
Just
Dude, hey, I'll heckle. I'm gonna heckle you anyway.
Listen, Stanislavski calls it the circle of attention. Keep your focus in the circle and don't let it go out.
Okay.
Concentrate, focus on your objectives, and just tune it out, man. This is our area right here.
Okay.
Rock on.
Got you. There we go.
You know, this is the first time I get to see you. This is actually like great. Yeah. But it was great. That is true. Maybe that'll help. I'm not nervous either.
Are you not nervous, Melanie?
Nope.
I am dying from nerves here.
Me neither.
Oh, I'm dying. I'm nervous. I'm all nervous tonight.
I just got caught. Don't be nervous, Will.
I'm so nervous.
Don't be nervous. I was like the suit of the count of the county suit. Are you really at the suit of Count Orsino? Maybe I'll actually get it out instead of going a suit.
It was fine though because I was totally. You had my face pressed against the thing.
I did.
So I was like.
But hey.
So you couldn't see me laughing.
Yeah, but then I looked up at Stephanie. I actually had like gotten it together and I looked up at Stephanie and she's just like, exactly. That was exactly the face.
It's okay. It's no big deal. No big deal.
So if I mess you up tonight,
mine is
just press my face hard down on the box so I don't laugh too hard.
I am not sent to you by my lady to bid you come speak with her.
yes.
I am not.
How you doing tonight, Mark?
Alright, how about yourself?
My lady.
I'm nervous. I'm good. I'm good though.
Yeah, you'll be great.
I don't know. I'm just working on mediocre. I'm not too worried about
your pants. That's what I always go for. It's my standard.
Yeah, I'll keep that one in check.
It's the Charles Prosser method. I think we can give him credit.
Hey, Will.
Charles
Yes, Shannon.
feels like he has to take a very big dump before he shows, but he never does.
Hi. Yes, Shannon.
If for any reason
You feel the need to grope me, I will totally let you.
I'm so close to the camera right now. If for any reason, why am I talking to the camera when you're right now?
Do you have any mints?
No, I can't.
I think I might have something.
Some of these over there too, so if those aren't working, you can just light the match and light one of these.
Okay. That works for me. What? Incense. Yeah.
That works for you.
There'd be a double knot at Windsor.
Is that what it's called?
I wouldn't know. It's clearly.
I just call it a tie.
I think it's too
Spatial
long.
awareness. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, what's wrong with you, Andre?
Madness.
We're not on the perfect line. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay, now we're
Shannon, you ready for this? You ready to go?
I hope so. Yes, I am.
Awesome.
I don't know.
You're like.
She's married to John, who is Charles Prosser's brother.
Where the heck am I doing?
Yeah, I'm
I look so angry.
Alright. Clearly. Unhand me.
Andre, what are you writing?
He's just getting a cast list on the board.
I got you.
It's over in the lab.
Hey Shannon, it's the birthday girl again. Well, I was there, wasn't I?
You were.
Because I gave you the awesome SpongeBob card.
Right. I still have that in my room.
Chicken pot pie.
Actually, it looks a lot like
We'll just put maybe like prop pieces in there, swords and whatever we use, and then we'll. If anyone saw that other big rectangle trunk that was in the AB that we didn't use for this show, but it's much bigger, to put like a dowel inside of it so we can open it up and we can have some costume pieces hanging. And what I'd like to do is so we bring in those two trunks we'll keep the Reuben Tentacles sign that Aaron made, and the rug. We'll roll out the rug, and we'll use the square trunk, which we had the curtains in, on the rug to give us another platform, something to sit on, something to stand on, just so we're not all working on one level. And then we'll use that second trunk, the wardrobe trunk, maybe off to a corner.
Enough, no more. Tis not so sweet now as it was before. How now? Okay, what news from her? Sorry, I forgot.
So please, my lord, I might not be admitted, but from her handmaid do return this answer. The element itself, till 7 years' heat, shall not behold her face at ample view, but like the cloistress she will veiled walk, and water once a day her chamber round with eye-offending brine. All this to season a brother's dead love.
A bigger pause and maybe like a heavier explanation on the hoe.
Okay.
Like nobody hears you in your...
Who saw Cesario?
Oh! That's so great.
I'm afraid it's going to come out funny.
Why did you just say who saw Cesario?
There you go. Who saw Cesario?
Andre just got the hoe.
You cut the hoe. The hoe is gone. She's not in the plan.
I'm just trying to help Shakespeare. It's great right now.
Hoe. Of Messaline. Sebastian was my father. Such a Sebastian was my brother too. So when he suited to his watery tomb, if he, does that say, I'm sorry, my book's messed up. So when he suited,
If spirits can assume.
okay. If spirits can assume both form and suit, you come to fright us.
A spirit I am indeed, but am in that dimension grossly clad, which from the word I am weak.
And that's all one-off ways, and we'll strive to please you every day.
So needless to say, we'll be packing up and traveling out during that last song. And stay behind.
I'll be singing.
And you'll say, and that's all when our play is done, and we strive to please you every day, we'll lay a hat down.
If I'd known I was going into a sweat.
Okay, man, if you're gonna be doing shit like that.
Where's next coming out of my mouth? That would trip.
Oh, okay.
Now where are we going?
This way.
Right that way.
Ladies. Ladies and Andre.
And Andre.
Sorry. I didn't realize who that was.
Okay, so that's the first thing, is coming in. What are we carrying? Then when we get here, we got 4 voices. We've got Melanie and Jean, Daniel and Willie. They're going to be the crowd control.
Aaron, it was Daniel and Aaron.
Aaron, I'm sorry. 4 voices are Melanie, Melanie and Jean, Daniel and Aaron.
Oh, we should come.
You're stepping all over Willie. You're stepping all over
Not yet, Jean, not yet, Jean. So we'll hit the center. All 4 of the speakers get to the center now. Not yet. Get to the center, 4 speakers.
Spin faster.
As soon as it gets set.
Sir, Gene, I'm not asking you to get the stuff out of the way. Right, you're in the space of the sitting. You're sitting down in the chair. Blankets, ma'am. Back there. Don't. I will kill you. I will kill you, ma'am, and that is not a threat. That is a promise.
So we're just getting
back off. Back off. Yeah.
Sad thing is that he's dressed so nicely.
I know, he's dressed so well.
Wait, we're all in?
What are we doing in here?
I don't know.
Like, we're just partying the rug. Sorry about you guys.
I knew it.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for donations.
Yeah.
We're partying on the road.
We're done.
Okay, you're gonna walk around the outside lane. You guys can walk together. Steph, you're grabbing the fabric from Aaron. Let's take hands and let's go up. Let's stand on the trunk. I'm melting. Stand up. You guys are gonna wake up.
Just hanging out.
You guys gotta wake up and you've gotta look for your brother, and Aaron's gonna look, where the heck are we? What supplies do we have?
Okay.
Okay, good. Let's go back.
Get off the trunk.
Let's do.
Should someone get the rolling? I know, because usually I offer, and people are like, no, I'm on a diet. Not everyone is as skinny. Keep going, keep going.
If music be the food of love, play on. Give me excessive if it's surfeiting, then my appetite may sicken and so die. Oh, that strain again, it had a dying fall. It came upon my ear like a blah, 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 blah. Yeah, like the sweet sound that breathes upon a bank of violets, stealing and giving odor. Enough, no more. It's not so sweet as it is now as it was before. Yeah. Not so sweet now as it was before.
She's Fabian now.
Who's Erin?
The same person.
She's still the captain.
I don't have a line, right? Okay, let's do it.
That quaffing and drinking will undo you. I had my lady talk of it yesterday, and of a foolish knight you brought in one night to be her wooer.
Who? Sir Andrew Egerton?
Ah, he.
He's a tall man and an angel.
What's that to the purpose?
Why, he has 3,000 ducats a year.
Aye, but he'll have a year and all these ducats. He's a very fool and a prodigal.
Fie, that you'll say so. He plays how do you say it, Jean?
The old gamboy.
The old gamboy. And speaks 3 or 4 languages word for word without a book, and hath all the good gifts of nature.
Okay, yes.
Nay, either tell me where thou hast been, or I will not open my lips so wide as a bristle may enter in the way of life.
Wait, cut that. Many hanging for this marriage. Okay.
You will be hanged for being so long absent, or to be turned away. Is not that as good as a hanging to you?
Many a good hanging prevents a bad marriage. For turning away, let the summer bear it out.
Please.
Minister occasion to him, he is gagged.
Oh, you are sick of self-love, my Bollier, and taste without the Stamford appetite. To be generous, guiltless, and a free disposition is to take those things for bird bullets that you deem cannon bullets. There's no slander in an allowed fool, though he do nothing but rail. No railing in an undiscreet man, though he do nothing but reprove.
Thou speakest well of fools.
All right.
That was it.
Gentlewoman, my lady comes.
Calls.
Give him my veil. Come, throw it over my face. Well, once more here, see what's in.
You said the fool's gonna have that?
The fool's gonna have that, but she's not gonna be able to play the song by
Right.
herself.
That's okay if she just is holding it, so that motivates the music line.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, good. This is gonna work. Let's go back to, and I like you facing that direction. Let's go back to the drinking part. Therefore, let us therefore.
Let us therefore eat and drink. Marion, I say, a stoup of wine.
Here comes the fool. The thing.
How now, my hearts? Did you never see a picture of we three?
Welcome, ass. Now, let's have a catch.
Now a song.
Good. That works.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
So let's try that.
Yeah.
So let's go back to Come Hither, Boy. You can come over here now.
Go hither, boy. Come hither, boy. If ever thou shalt love, in the sweet pangs of it, remember me. For such as I am, all true lovers are, unstayed and skittish in all motions else, save in the constant image of the creature that is beloved. It's okay. How does thou like this tune?
Gives a very echo to the seat where love is thrown.
How to speak masterly. My life upon it, young though thou art, thine eye hath stayed upon some favor that it loves. Hath it not, boy?
A little, by your favor.
What kind of woman is it?
Of your complexion.
She is not worth thee then. What years of faith?
Apparently it
Or just
works.
have the melody of the song.
You're gonna freak them out.
You ever seen that movie, The Watcher?
Violet, that's sorry,
The lady's looking right at me.
and that you do, and you're gonna come in
And they're off.
that
Bye.
little guitar.
She's on camera. Freaked her out. Okay,
Yeah.
you're gonna make somebody so dizzy in the thing that like I don't even want to watch
It's
it.
like Saving Private Ryan.
It's the Blair Witch. It's the Blair Witch.
Yeah.
Go.
I'm so scared.
So, Belle, what do you feel about the play so far? How are you feeling about it?
I'm still freaked out, but I like it.
And I like the space. I think it'll be fun.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Any worries?
Yes.
Why?
Many of them.
What's worrying you?
I don't know, the bard is twisting in his grave as the coroner tries to make it justice. I don't know. That's one concern.
It doesn't matter.
No. Now, sir, have I met you again? There's for you!
Why, there's for thee. And there. And there. Are all the people mad?
Hold, sir, or I'll throw your dagger over the house.
This I will tell.
Oh, and then the clown comes in, and maybe at that point you could lose them. Yeah, when you get up.
We can talk to him.
Yeah, let's see how that works.
Hey, just
Yeah. I prefer.
Where I'm dishonest to say, I call thee by thy most modest man. I am one of those gentle
Oh, stay and hear your true love's coming. That can single high and low.
Madman, thou errest. I say there is no darkness but ignorance.
Pretty sweetie. Journeys ending, lovers meeting. Every wise man's son doth know.
Alas, why is she so fool? I say she loves another. Who calls, huh?
What is love?
Who calls, huh?
Tis not he that present mirth and present laughter. What's to come is still unsure.
But as well, then you are mad indeed if you are no better in your wits than a
In
fool.
delay there lies no plenty.
When the day that you
Then
were,
come kiss me, sweet and 20.
And convey what I will send down to my lady, until I'm not to see more than ever bearing a better gift.
I'll help you to it, but tell me true. Are you not mad indeed, or do you but counterfeit?
I am not. I tell thee true.
Nay, I'll ne'er believe a madman till I see his brain.
For the rain and rain of every day. When I came to man's estates with hey-ho, the wind and the rain.
Sing on as much as you can.
Against knaves and policemen shut their gates for the rain and rain of every day.
Now you're gonna sing that third.
When I came of last to buy, hey-ho, the wind and the rain. Where swaggering could I never thrive for the rain and rain of every day. When I came unto my bed, hey-ho, the wind and the rain. Tosspot still had drunken pairs for the rain and rain of every day. A long time ago, the world begun. Hey-ho, the wind and the rain. But that's all one. Our play is done, and we'll strive to please you every day.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
I need to know who that is! I need my brother! I need my brother!
To know what country I'm in. Sorry.
Give comfort and assurance.
Hold on. Now, why don't you go to the captain and say, I need you to tell me where I am.
Okay.
So you throw them over her. And that's the thing, if you try to take the line
I need to know if he's still a bachelor because I heard that he was.
Yeah.
I want to know why the hell I suddenly like the music again. I do. Maybe it's the mellifluous mandolin. I'll have to wonder on that a while. I want you to stop. I want to hear some good news.
I want to give it to you, but I can't.
What the hell?
Because you can't, what do you want to do?
I'm going to,
I want to come over there and find out why this person's so...
I want to comfort you. I want to know I'm having a hard time. I want to comfort. I want to give you what you want, so I will.
I want to see that letter because I want to believe that somehow there is some hope even in this terrible missive, dismissive missive.
I need to stand up.
Because
I need to thank you.
I'm anal retentive that way. I need to tell you about why I'm such a sap that I believe this actually gives me hope. I need to believe that if she can love her brother so much, she has love in her heart. Maybe do something for me.
I'm gonna leave that drink on the table. If you can't have it, I don't want you to, because if you keep drinking, then we can't. I'm gonna
Have
go.
sex.
I want this drink over here. Okay, but I don't want you to drink that over there. I want to drink this drink. I don't. That's no.
Tell you no.
I want to hook you up with every available male that comes through here. You and my niece.
Okay, well, I don't want you to want to hook me up with other people. I just want to hook up with you.
This is good.
I want you to know about my friend, Sir Andrew.
Okay, well, I want you to know that I think he's a dork.
Damn, man. Felt that over there.
I need to not be insulted before I can
I want you to understand that he's very knowledgeable and he's a very gracious man. He has all the best intentions in the world, although he's a little bit stupid. It's okay.
I will enter.
I want you to meet Sir Andrew, Agabus.
Hi, I want this drink.
There you go.
I want you to go to her and pump her.
I want to. But I want to know her name.
Her name, she can tell. I want her to tell you her name.
I want you to tell me your name.
I don't want to tell you my name.
I want you.
Yeah.
Right, and I stopped him.
Lily, look at me. So what do you think about the show? What's the experience been like for you?
Good.
Okay, let's a little bit more elaboration.
That's pretty. Is this an essay?
Yes.
I'm not
You
good
have
at
me
that.
believe I'm not sent for you?
Such a wonderful
Okay, something for the DVD.
Okay, it's been so good.
Let me be clear of thee, and then I go.
Christ, is that it?
Yeah.
Here, Melanie, I'll feed you.
All right, Shannon.
Yes.
Okay. What has this experience been to you? What has it meant for you?
It's been an amazing experience, considering the fact that I've made such good friends from this experience. It has been a wonderful learning experience. I'm wondering how many times I can actually say experience in this sentence. But it really has. And Andre has taught me a lot, and everyone in this cast has taught me a lot, and I'm very thankful to be a part of it.
Awesome.
And I love you, Will.
All right, there we go. See,
Yeah, we love
you
Will.
see,
We love Will.
she did a better answer than you did.
know.
Your answer wasn't great.
Well, I'm gonna
I can't follow that.
I have learned
so much
from every
from every single person in this cast.
Each person
brings
their own special energy.
energy to this. And this show proves that we are all hard workers
and that we love each other.
and that we love each other.
And that Melanie is the best.
Interviewee
in the cast.
In the cast.
Thank you so much.
For this experience.
Okay.
So Shannon, what was it like writing dialogue for this play?
It was wonderful.
Oh, alas, why she so full for she loves another who calls her. Full as ever thou wilt deserve well at my hand. Help me to candle, pen, ink, and paper. As I am a gentleman, I will live to be thankful to thee for it.
Master Albonia.
Good fool.
Alas, how fare you beside your 5 wits?
No, do not think I am mad. I never was man so notoriously wronged. Good fool, I am as well in my wits full as thou art.
But as well. Then thou art mad indeed, if you be no better in your wits than a fool.
Fool! Paper and light! I tell you, I am as well in my wits full as any man in Illyria.
Well a day that you were, sir.
Yes, I am. Candle, pen, and ink, and can paper I will set down to my lady. I tell you, it shall advantage thee more than ever the bearing of letter did.
Oh, I'll help you to it. But tell me true, are you not mad indeed, or do you but counterfeit?
Believe me, I am not. I tell thee true.
Oh, I'll never leave a madman until I see his brains. But I'll bet you light, and paper, and ink.
I shall requite it to thee in the highest measure. Good fool, I prithee be gone.
I'm gone, sir, and anon, sir, I'll be with you again. In a thrice like to the old vice, your needs to sustain. With his dagger of laugh in his rage, and his wrath cries, aha, to the devil. Like a mad lad, fear thy nails, Dad. Adieu, good man, devil.
Still so cruel.
Still so constant, Lord.
What? To perverseness? You uncivil lady, to whose ingrate and unauspicious altars my soul the faithfulest offerings have breathed out that ere devotion tendered. What shall I do?
Even would it please my Lord, that may become him.
Why should I not? Had I the heart to do it. Kill what I love. Savage jealousy. But this your minion, whom I know you love, and whom by heaven I swear I tender dearly, him will I tear out of that cruel eye, where he sits crowned in his master's spite. Come, boy, with me. My thoughts are ripe in mischief. I'll sacrifice the lamb that I do love, to spite a raven's heart within a dove.
I, most jocund, apt and willingly to do you rest, 1,000 deaths would die.
Where goes Cesario?
After him that I love, more than I love these eyes, more than my life, more by all mores than e'er I shall love wife. If I do feign, you, witnesses above, punish my life for tainting of my love.
I mean, tested. How am I beguiled?
Who does beguile you? Who does do you wrong?
Hast thou forgot thyself? It's been so long!
Away.
Cesario! Husband, stay!
Husband!
Ah, husband! Can he that deny?
good sir.
No, my lord, not I. Fear not, Samuel. Take thy fortunes up.
Father, welcome, good father. On thy reverence, I charge thee here to unfold the lately we intended to keep in darkness what occasion now reveals what is right. What thou dost know has newly passed between this youth and me.
A contract of eternal bond of love, confirmed by the mutual joinder of your hands, attested by the holy close of lips, strengthened by the interchangement of your rings, and all the ceremony of this compact sealed in my possession by my testimony.
That made my sister 13 years.
Lady, you have been mistook. But nature, to her bias, ruined that. You would have been contracted to a maid. Nor are you therein by my life deceived. You are betrothed both to a maid, a man.
Be not amazed, for right noble is his blood. Give me thy hand. Let me see thee in thy woman's weeds.
Written letter to you. I should have delivered it today morning, but as madman's epistles are no gospels, it skills not much when they are delivered.
Open it and read it.
Look now, well, when the fool delivers the man. Why, Lord, man,
read it, you, Sarah.
By the Lord, madam, you wrong me, and the world shall know it. Though you have put me into darkness and given your drunken cousin rule over me, yet have I the benefit of my senses as well as your lady. I have your own letter which induced me to the semblance that I put on, with the which I doubt not but to do myself much right, or you much shame. Think of me as you please. I leave my duty a little unthought of, and speak out of my injury. The madly used, now bold.
I'll be revenged. Of the whole pack of you!
He has been most notoriously abused.
So then, and entreat him to a peace. A solemn combination shall be made of our dear souls. Meantime, sweet sister, we will not part from hence. Cesaria, come, for so you shall be while you are a man. But when in other habits you are seen, Orsino's mistress and his fancy's queen.
That I was on the wind and the rain. A foolish thing was but a toy of rain and raineth every day. I
By swaggering could I never thrive, and the rain, it raineth every day. I came up to my best with hey-ho, the wind and the rain. With fuss, but still had drunken heads, the rain, it raineth every day. A great while ago the world began with hey-ho, the wind and the rain. But that's all one, our play is done, and we'll strive to please you every day.
It's hard to classify, like to kind of put an experience like this into words. It's not because it's so magical, but it's a living experience. That's why like you can't read a play and get the full experience of it. You got to get it up on its feet. And it's the same thing. The process is something that you got to live through to really understand. It's not something that can be put into words, but it is very rewarding. It's fulfilling. I mean, it makes you feel like you're alive. A lot of times when you just kind of walk through life, but this is something that's, you gotta be on your feet, you gotta think, you gotta communicate with people. Theater's got pretty much every aspect of life kind of mixed into one bundle of something.